Hello, hello, my lovelies. It's another beautiful day to read a story. Today's story is called I Am New Here. As school is starting, you are going to see your old friends and you are going to make new friends. Some of those new friends are scared because it's their first time, maybe in school, or maybe even in the city, or even in the country. Yes, let's get into the story. Let's see what happens when you're new somewhere. Hello, my friends. Yes, remember what I said? The book we're reading today is called I'm New Here. What am I doing in the car? I'll tell you later. Let's get into the story. I'm New Here. It's written by Anne Sibley O'Brien. I am new here, class. This is Maria. I am new here. Boys and girls, please welcome Jean. I am new here. We have a new student. Everyone, her name is Fatima. Vamos a jugar fútbol. Orale, vámonos. Back home, I knew the language. My friends and I talked all day long. Our voices flowed like water and flew between us like birds. Here there are new words. I can't understand them. The sounds are strange to my ears. Yes, can you see some of the sounds that are strange to the ears here? Back home, I could read and write. I shaped the letters and stacked them like blocks into words. The words opened like windows and doors into a story. Here there are new letters. They lie on the page like scribbles and scratches. All the windows and doors are shut tight. Back home, I was part of the class. I knew just what to do. I fit in like one of many stars in the sky. Here there are new ways. I cannot see the patterns. I cannot find my place. Oh. Here I am alone. Here I am confused. Here I am sad. Oh. I say the new words again and again. They feel like rocks in my mouth. My tongue twists and tumbles on their edges. One day I try new words. They do not flow or fly freely, but someone understands. I can play soccer. Sure. I am finding new friends and they are finding me. She's on a team. I got it. I write the letters over and over. I stare at the words. I look for a way to open them. One day I write some new letters. They are not perfect, but I can read the words. I am learning from others and they are learning from me. I watch the new ways more and more. I try to see the patterns. I am scared I will make a mistake. One day I try taking part. My knees tremble and my heart pounds. But my teacher smiles. I will show you my picture, I say. I am sharing with others and they are sharing with me. Here there are new beginnings. Here there is a place for me. Here is a new home. The end. The author of this book says when she was 7 years old, her family traveled halfway around the world to live in a new country, brand new to them. And because she was from South Korea, she felt really, really different. So she wrote this story. Remember what I said in the beginning? You will make new friends and you might be that new person even in that new place. But don't you worry, you'll fit right in. So until the next time, my friends, I'm actually in front of the library. Isn't that strange? I came to read in the library. And I'll show it to you, my friends. library truck. Yes, and people are returning books over there. It's such a beautiful place. So, until the next time, my friends, who's amazing? You are amazing.